degi chala ane di chading dus kasore ane di yugur tang di gine su di ane kira chimbu shibi chigi chadigi kala pyoki nidun di ma jaarung tuwa di kandi res chini di kandi chinang tu di nangdi kabdila yugur tang dine tanda Hong Kong re dine karsa pro Mongolian re digi sangma di ane tanda ngana su namju gulegu pebe kala ane nyamru rangji pe digiyo masene tanda yugur nana yung de debi de chasang di ane nyama denga pe nana chungsa begine su chire tanda yugur nana ane netan digi de zara duksub tanya di pe nana chungsa begine pe nana nisu kahang chungba de ane jechi ki ane di nana tuna shibishi manang je sha sha begine di ane gyami ki masun logo da ki masun che ru che ne ndu su chigiyo indu ane di nana shinki ane 제가 몽고직 게 강에 태야게 들이 로직이 니스콜라 소fu 아니 다 총등 걸레 컨티나스 총등 톨레게 데미 제시 가르치기 메디 톨레 정부 지기 양지 이제 디터베게 니스는가 지부들이 몽고직이 당수들이 상마라 아니 디라 아니 데나야 디게 할레베게 아니 띵섭시다 나서 인트레스트 안가상이 이제 쉬지네 감이 중거래 시네 디 감이 중수 딘디 중샤시네 니수 중송시네 공은 예시 슈베 내가 저때 치실이 보면 야자가 갑들라 니수 디게디 단다 코란스 모니게 단다 민드니게 슬라마서 호주도시 투디 중거래 디 차상 아니 고 총대 단디 토레스 저나디 엔사베게 개미당 간디치 투디 중바 임베네 게 빌딩 토라 자와라네 아니 노동 지기와 말레스 제제 디 나송 코나스 야 슈에디 디 소이다 노스트리
Name correctly. It's Lobsang Sangay.
Yes.
Yes. Dr. Sangay, you just come to Switzerland to go to Geneva to go to a forum, if I understand correctly, and you're expected to give a keynote speech there. Could you give us a glimpse into what you're going to say?
It's about technology and religious freedom. how technology, surveillance is used in Tibet to control Tibetan people at large, and particularly those who practice religion. So that's the main theme. And how technology is now exported around the world. So what happens in Tibet happens everywhere.
Could you give us an example how this kind of high-tech repression works on the ground in Tibet?
First, Chinese government issues an ID card, very advanced ID card with second generation biometric chips in it. Then they, built a lot of checkposts. So each time you swipe your ID card, your data is collected and your movement is tracked. And after some time, they have enough data through algorithm software to say that this particular nomadic area have too many travelers, this particular village has too many travelers, hence they come under suspect category. And soon after, they will have a lot of cameras posted in that area, a lot of spies, a lot of moles, a lot of visitations are posted in that area. So, and that area becomes very restrictive.
So this kind of cyber repression is actually a tool to know where they have to become active.
Yes.
Yes.
And through this algorithm, they can predict when and where potential protests could happen. Accordingly, they will arrange their security measures. So when particular group of Tibetans do something, anything, Chinese security is already prepared. So the algorithm and software that they have developed is so advanced, so sophisticated, it can control the whole of the Tibetan plateau and Tibetan people very strictly. And this algorithm and software is implemented in Xinjiang.
Do you?
Say welcome to all the guests and speakers who are here. We started this Geneva Forum last year. Given the success, we thought we should continue for this year and perhaps next year too. Because this is one forum where we can bring so many friends from all over the world, and with a common platform, with a common voice, we can at least give a shout out to the Human Rights Council, which is right next door, saying that our human rights are violated, and then Human Rights Council and the United Nations ought to take notice and do something. So that's the reason, we felt to have it last year because of the Universal Peer Review on China, but we wanted to continue. And then I really appreciate the fact that some of you have come back to show solidarity, to be with us, and we will continue this march until justice is done to people in Hong Kong, to East Turkestan, Taiwan, and all our friends from all over the world. And we have several members of parliament all the way from Canada with a newborn baby and wife, not just supporting us now, but we have got it as prepared the second generation, next generation Canadians to be with us as well. So we have other friends from all over the world, so I just want to say thank you for coming, and we very appreciative of your participation. And this year we have former political prisoner Pinzo Nidula, who has suffered tremendously, and if you hear a story, you will know how much the Tibetans in Tibet go through. And we have many representatives of His Holiness Dalai Lama from various parts of Europe are also here. And then to all of you, welcome, and please enjoy your dinner, and we'll have a good substantive day, 2 days, tomorrow and the day after. Thank you.
Notice, I have explained to most of the people here, but I wanted to re-emphasize it, that in your folder we have a draft of the Geneva Forum Declaration. So we request you to please go through it and let us know of your precious comments and changes by tomorrow evening. And the final declaration will be read out the day after. So let's enjoy the dinner. Thank you.